Republic of South Korea, HL5 Fox Echo Echo. He's in QSO with another station, very light copy, another US station.
Okay, Jody, it's cool, very fine job. And what is your working condition, Jody? I'm really curious to try into 3 elements step by hour. Over. Okay, very fine job, mostly system and very nice audio, Jody. I have 100 Delta. I like it very much because it has very nice performance on HF band, Jody. Now that my exact working condition is Fox Tango Delta X-ray 101 Mike Papa, and RF2K linear amplifier running kilowatt drive into element step by hour. Okay, Jody, thanks for the nice contact, and all the best to you and your family. Have a nice evening. Whiskey 2 Golf Sierra HL5 Fox Echo Echo. Stability, Baba Jody. Okay, thank you so much. Happy New Year from the South Korea. Bye-bye, Jody.
Whiskey 4 Echo Echo Yankee. Whiskey 4 Echo Echo Yankee.
Okay, sir. Victor Echo 3, Mike X-ray something, over. QSO, Victor Echo 3, Mike X-ray Germany, HL5 Fox Echo. Hello, Matthew. You are 5 and 767. Very nice signal here. And my handling the song Sierra Oscar November Germany. The song is named. And thanks for the nice signal report from state of Ontario. Victor Echo 3, Mike X-ray Germany. HL5 Fox Echo Echo, over. Okay, Matthew. I will cancel the LOTW advance. Thank you for the nice first contact in this band. Victor Echo 3, Mike X-ray Golf Hotel Lima 5, Fox Echo Echo. Stability, Baba, my friend.
Whiskey 4 Echo Echo Yankee. Whiskey 4 Echo Echo Yankee.
I'm sorry. I missed your call sign. Kilo 7 Lima Quebec. Kilo 7 Lima Quebec. Over. Okay. Kilo 6 Lima Quebec Oscar. KK6 Lima Quebec Oscar. Correct, over.
KK7.
Okay, now that's no problem. Kilo 7 Lima Quebec Oscar. Okay, Lima 5 Foxtrot Echo. Okay, transport call box. You are 5 and 4, 54 with a heavy case speaker. Okay, now that's no problem. And my hand with the song Sierra Oscar, November, Germany. So is name. KK7 Lima Quebec Oscar, Hotel Lima 5 Foxtrot Echo.
QSO song, excellent QSO. Thank you for entering my call. 73s, I'll let you grab another call. Kilo 7 Lima, Quebec Hospital. Bye-bye.
Well, thanks for the nice post contact. Meet you again. KK7LQO, HL5, Fox Echo. Happy New Year.
Whiskey 4, Echo, Echo Yankee. Whiskey 4, Echo, Echo Yankee.
Any echo, come again?
Roger, Roger. Whiskey 4, Echo, Echo Yankee. Whiskey 4, England, England, Yokohama. QSL?
Oh, I'm sorry. Heavy case speaker. Number 4, echo. Number 4, echo. Come again?
Roger. Whiskey 4, Echo, Echo Yankee. Whiskey 4, Echo, Echo Yankee. Whiskey 4, Echo, Echo Yankee. QSL?
Whiskey 4, echo Yankee. Washington number 4, England, Yokohama. Is it correct? Your call sign available?
Roger, Roger song. Roger, Roger.
Okay, Whiskey 4, echo Yankee. Hotel Lima 5, Foxtrot Echo. Okay, nice to meet you the first time, Gary. You are 5 and 3, 53, and the condition is not wide open this moment. And my handle is a song, Sierra Oscar, November, Germany. Song is name. Whiskey 4, echo Yankee. Hotel Lima 5, Foxtrot Echo, over.
Roger, Roger. Roger, Roger. Solid copy song. Solid copy. Very good. Well, you're 5 and 9. 5 and 9 here into South Carolina. Strong signal. Operating conditions here are 1,500 watts into a 2-element Hexbeam. So you're doing more work than I am. But thank you for the contact today, Song. Appreciate it very much. Go work some other stations. All the best. HL5FEE from Whiskey 4, Echo Yankee.
Okay, Jerry, very fine. Whiskey 4, echo Yankee. Hotel Lima 5, Foxtrot Echo. Thanks for the nice information and the report over there. And I'm running 1 kilowatt driving to 3 meters per hour. Beaming to Northern America now. Okay, Gary, thanks for the nice first contact. And hope to meet you again. W4, echo Yankee, HL5, Fox Echo. 73, Happy New Year.
Roger, Roger, Song. 73, Happy New Year to you. Nice to meet you. Ciao, ciao.
Okay.